3D printing is nothing new, but what it's capable of and the industries it supports gets more exciting as the technology advances. Looking specifically at the niche area of ceramic additive manufacturing, the opportunities to make components that would be either too difficult or impossible to produce using conventional technology is revolutionary.
Ceramics is a fairly new material to print with 3D technology. It's a new frontier, so to speak. Plastics and metals have been printed for years using this technology. And what makes it unique and valuable is that complex shapes that normally cannot be manufactured using traditional ceramic manufacturing methods can be made using 3D technology, specifically for the medical industry. If you can imagine it, you can print it. 3D ceramic printing offers some very unique capabilities that traditional technologies can't. Ceramic materials interface with the human body much better. For example, on bone growth and the ability to make things to the shape. Conventional technology can take weeks or months. Another significant advantage of 3D ceramic printing is the ability to manufacture complex shapes and do it rapidly.
Here at 3DCeram Sinto Inc., a Sinto America company 3D applications laboratory, engineers are able to make complex shapes like skull implants and spacecraft components using 3D additive manufacturing quickly and accurately.
We use a technology called stereolithography. With our highly precise laser, we're able to produce parts that can only be done using additive manufacturing. Traditional technologies can only create traditional parts. That's where 3D printing really comes into its own. The precision of our laser allows for us to create really complicated parts that can only really be done by 3D printing. The efficiency and the precision of the 3DCeram Sinto process is unparalleled. We're really trying to push the industrialization of the process. So once we start the printing, it's lights out, which means that there's no need for extra monitoring during the printing phase. 3D printing is a very environmentally friendly process, and we really think that this is part of the future push for additive manufacturing in general. I think we're just scratching the surface in what's possible using 3D ceramic printing. This technology promotes a highly specialized engineering opportunity for such applications like aerospace, biomedical, energy. All these types of applications can really leverage the possibilities of 3D ceramic printing.
Sinto Kogyo is synonymous with innovation. The company's heritage goes back over 80 years with roots in the automotive industry. Today, Sinto stands as the global leader in 3D ceramic printing.
Sinto became the market leader in this area due to the efforts of Richard Gagnon and Christophe Chaput, who developed the printing technology and the materials technology. They realized that if they could build their own 3D printer, they could actually do it in a much more effective manner. And that grew into developing the technology that we employ today in our 3D additive ceramic manufacturing technology. Through that evolution, we have developed technology that puts us at the lead in the marketplace. So we've got a full line of new machines that can print not only very small components, but very large components to serve a variety of industries such as medical, aerospace, and industrial. So as the technology continues to advance, this type of technology will grow.
We've been getting some really positive feedback from our customers who are using our equipment. Ceramic implants are the future. For the biomedical industry, it has opened up the possibility for new design. They promote the bone integration or the osteo-integration of the part. The possibility of printing ceramics in-house has decreased their lead time. The reactivity and the flexibility of in-house can be really positive for some of these businesses. We know in the next kind of 10 to 15 years that designers are going to be designing parts that can only be created using ceramic 3D printing.
Sinto Kogyo believes in what we call HEART, human enrichment and advancement through reliable technology. 3D ceramic printing fits that mission to a T. It's at the cutting edge of the marketplace. It's new technology that creates new harmony in the world.
To learn more about Sinto America's innovations in 3D ceramic printing, visit sintoamerica.com or call 517-371-2460 today.